This is Steve Skillern at Jet Lending. We're at Johnny Lara's house, his most recent flip in Corinthian Point in Montgomery. We're about to do a walkthrough, and Johnny, take it away.
Hey guys, how's it going? Just did a flip here with my friend here, Steve at Jet Lending. Very great guy to work with. If you guys need any lending, please reach out to Steve. He walked me from beginning to the end to getting all this process done. I want to go ahead and walk this property with you guys and let you see what I did with this property.
Fantastic. Hold on, guys. As we come in, tell us what's going on, Johnny.
So here, what we did is this house was dated. It needed a full, basically everything needed dated, so updating. So we went ahead and did all the flooring, painting, cabinets, trim. All the doors got painted, new lights. I want to go ahead and walk you guys throughout the house. This house had a foundation issue. We got it repaired and back to where it needed to be. There was a few minor cracks in the walls and everything. Had a lot of sheetrock repair that we had to do. So that was the first step. Second step is we actually ended up cleaning the house because this looked like a hoarder house, so a lot of junk here. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the kitchen.
What's the square footage on this?
This is 2,017 square feet.
Got it. And what do you remember the year built?
2002. 2002.
2002. Okay. Mm-hmm. Are the countertops and backsplash all new?
Yep.
Fantastic.
Quartz countertops.
Quartz countertops, new appliances.
So
new cabinets.
Yep.
Everything. New flooring. By the way, one of the things he did is this was wire shelving, which generally looks terrible. He put all of this stuff in. This looks fantastic. Go ahead, Johnny. What else you got?
Okay. So I'm gonna walk you guys over here to the master room. These cabinets were already here. We just did some touch up and painted.
Okay.
The cabinets, we did some, lot of painting.
A lot of painting. This is the master. Got carpet in the bedroom.
Okay, same thing with the closets here as the pantry. Had the old railing in it. We redid all the closets. Did that one, and then I guess this is a his and hers. This one's a lot smaller.
Right. Smaller means his, by the way, guys.
Then you can look at the
new cabinets, new countertops, quartz countertops, new toilet. Beautiful shower enclosure. Was this glass already here?
No, we did that.
Beautiful. Nice fixtures.
Then we'll have the laundry room. It goes back into the garage, but we can.
Yeah, we'll look at the garage in just a minute. This was an unfinished garage, by the way. He sheetrocked everything. 2-car garage. Is that new?
The appliance, I believe, the water heater was 2 years old.
Okay.
If I'm not mistaken, and the HVAC system was actually 2 years old.
2 years old. Fantastic. All right, we're out on the front porch. And again, very large, expansive porch. Everything out here has been redone. In case you don't realize it or haven't noticed, Johnny does first-class work. Big, beautiful lot. We'll walk around it. Which way you want to go?
We can go back to the left.
Okay.
We can look at the nice lawn up the hill.
Garage.
Double garage.
Front of the house. We'll come back around to that. Take a long view or a wide view.
And we have a 2-year-old AC system on the outside.
AC system's 2 years old. Painted the exterior. All of it. Painted the trim, soffits, everything. This house, by the way, is on a double lot. So all of this land you see, most of it is his. Or yours, if you're buying.
The properties here, they have smaller lots, so this one lucky enough to have a double lot.
Back of the house. Again, lots and lots of room back here. Double lot. How big is this lot total?
It's about 0.68 of an acre.
0.68 acres. My math escapes me, but I'm assuming that's about 30,000, somewhere around in there.
Yeah,
Square feet.
30, yeah, 30 something, 28, 30 something. I don't remember the exact square foot. But we're somewhere around there. And we got great neighbors also. All the neighbors came and said hi, real nice people.
Property goes all the way down almost to that other house. There's a drainage thing at the end of the street that runs down there. All the way back to here. And then way up over there. If you want seclusion, this is it.
Mm-hmm.
How long did it take you to do this, Johnny?
I was shooting for a month, but it took me about a month and a half to get all
Okay.
this updated. So
Very good.
we have a pretty good crew that did a great job. So
Awesome. How was your experience working with Jet?
it was great. I really recommend Jet Lending. Reach out to Steve. He's very, very helpful. Walk you from A to Z. And any questions, you give him a call. He'll answer right away, and very, very, very professional.
Fantastic.